Hello, this is Emily Whitmire again, and for the purpose of this screencast, I'm going to show you how you can create a Prezi presentation of your own. So the first thing you need to do is you need to click on your internet browser and go to prezi.com, Prezi.com. And then since you've already created your account, you're going to click the login button. When you get to this page, you're going to type in your email and password that you used when you created your Prezi account. And then you're going to click the login button. It's going to take you to a screen that looks like this, and you're going to click the icon that says New Prezi. Wait a few moments while it loads. And it's going to bring you to a screen where there are a variety of templates at your fingertips to use. As you can see, here are some popular templates, as well as you have the ability to start a blank Prezi if you wish. You can also search for a template. So if I wanted to search for teaching templates, I just type in the keyword or phrase and the templates that are related show up. So today I'm going to click the chalkboard template, and then I'm going to click this button down here that says Use Template. And here is basically the skeleton of your blank Prezi presentation. What's great about the templates is that you can just plug as needed. So as you can see, it tells you click here to type the title. When you type in your text, you have the ability to change it if you want to change it to a subtitle or to a body text. You have the ability to make it bigger or smaller. I can change the font color if I wish, as well as I can change the actual font. If I would have a body text, I have the ability to make it bold or italic. I can change the background color, and I can add bullet points if needed. I also, just as in a Word document, I can change the alignment of my text if I want it to be left aligned, center, right aligned, or justified. If you can see down here along the left side of our screen, we have the slides and the path of our presentation. Right now I have 6 paths on my presentation, and these slides correspond with the 6 numbers on my screen. So basically, if I have number 1, I see the number 1 screen, whereas if I would click on slide number 2, it takes me to the number 2 screen. Again, I have the font here where I can click and add text as needed. If I wanted to add some more text, another text box, I just click anywhere on the screen where a blank text box will come up. Again, I can change it as needed, make it bigger or smaller. I can move my text box just by clicking on it, holding down my mouse and moving it to places. I can also make my text boxes bigger or smaller as needed. If I would decide I didn't want this text box anymore, I just click on it and then hit the delete button. Again, I follow the screens. It would take me to the next one. And this screen is nice because it shows me how I can have a relationship inside a particular screen. Now, if I decided that I would want to edit my path, I wasn't necessarily fond of the way that it was already set up. I just click this button that says Edit Path, and then I can change as needed. So if I wanted to go back to the middle screen after I finish my presentation, I would just click on that again, and a number 7 approaches. If I would want to move that anywhere within my presentation, I just hold on to it and move and drag and move as needed. There are also some great features available through Prezi that I'm going to show you. If you click the insert button up here, you have the ability to add an image as well as symbols or shapes. You can add YouTube videos, which I think is a great feature. You can add arrows, lines. You can highlight important text or highlight underneath text as needed. You can add background music as well as a voiceover. Now, if you have any type of PDF files or video files that you have already saved on your desktop or flash drive, you can also add those things from File right here. If you click on this button, Layouts, there are different wide variety of layouts that are available for you to add and include into your Prezi presentation. You would just click on what you needed and drop it wherever you would like. Now, as you can see, it automatically put it as one of the last paths on my screen. So if I, again, want to edit it, I would just take it and drag it to where need be. If at any time I want to zoom out and see everything, I just click that home button. There are also multi-frame layouts available. So if I wanted to show any type of information that had relationships with one another, I can do that here. There are lots of, if I would want to compare and contrast some pieces of information, as well as show a timeline, I'm able to do that through this feature. There's also a customize button that we can use. So if you wanted to change the background layout or color of your presentation, you can do so as well. Which helps, if you wanted to just set your presentation apart from what was already the template that was already given. It's important to note that there is an undo and redo button up here in the corner, as well as a save icon. Now, what's really great about Prezi is every few moments it does save itself, but it's important that you click on that button to save your presentation whenever you're ready. So that was just a quick, brief tutorial on how you can use Prezi and make it your own. I hope this helped any questions you may have had and gave you kind of a brief introduction on how you can use these great features of this great presentation software. Thank you.